first story is called God Creates the World. In the beginning, God creates the world. First came night. Next, God made the sky, the seas, and dry land. He covered the land with grass. He filled the sky with sparkling things, the sun, the moon, and the stars. Next, God made living creatures. He put swimming animals in the seas. He made flying animals to fill the skies. Finally, God created one man and one woman. They will take care of my world. God said it took 6 days to make everything. He looked around on the 7th morning. This is good. God said, today I will rest. Second story is called Adam and Eve. There was a beautiful garden called Eden on God's new world. God made a man called Adam to live in the garden. He made a woman named Eve to be Adam's friend. God told Adam and Eve to enjoy Eden. There was only one rule: they must not eat fruit from the tree in the middle of the garden. One day, an evil serpent talked to Eve. Eat the fruit. It said Eve did. She got Adam to eat the fruit too. Later, God found out what Adam and later God found out what Adam and Eve had done. He was angry. You have Eve had done. He was angry. You have not opened me. Now you must leave my garden forever, he said. Now the third story called Noah and the Ark. The world people had gotten greedy and cruel. Only a man named Noah was good. Build a great ark, God told Noah. Make it big enough to carry 2 of every animal, 1 male and 1 female. Noah did as God asked. He loaded his family and the animals onto the boat. Then it started to rain. The rain poured down until water covered the earth. After 40 days and nights, the rain stopped. Months later, the flood started to go away. God sent out a dove when the bird did not return. Noah knew it had found land. Noah, his family, and the animals left the ark. They prayed and thanked God for his mercy. God answered by making a beautiful rainbow in the sky. I will never disturb my creatures again, he promised. Now the fourth story called the story of Joseph. Jacob had 12 sons. Joseph was his favorite. To show his love, Jacob gave Joseph colorful coat. Jacob's other sons were dreamers, so that Joseph was taken to Egypt to become a slave. Egypt's ruler was called Pharaoh. One day, Joseph helped Pharaoh by telling him what his dream meant. Pharaoh was so happy that he freed Joseph from slavery. He put him in charge of all Egypt. Years later, Joseph's brother came to recite. Joseph tested his brothers and found that they had become honest men. You are my family, he said, as he hugged them. I love you and forgive you. Now the fish son called baby Moses in the river. Pharaoh thought too many people from Israel were living in Egypt. He told his soldiers that male Israelite babies must be drowned. About this time, an Israelite woman had a baby boy. The woman did not want her baby to be drowned, so she built a big basket and put the baby inside. She slipped into the river and hid the basket among some reeds. Just then, Pharaoh's daughter came to the river. She found the baby sleeping in his little basket. I will keep this baby and raise him in the royal places. His name will be Moses, said the princess.
Very good. You can read all 5 stories in one shot. Very good. Okay, now we go to 6th story. Story number 6, okay? Okay, let's show you. Bye.
Bye.